Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in your Subaru Crosstrek key fob. This simple task can be done at home with just a few common tools. You will need a new CR2032 lithium coin battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. The entire process should take you only about 5 minutes from start to finish. First, let's open the key fob. On the back, you'll find a small silver button. Press this button firmly and slide out the emergency metal key. Now, look into the slot where the metal key was removed. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this opening. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob casing should begin to separate, allowing you to access the interior. Once the key fob is open, you will see the small, round battery. This is a CR2032 lithium coin battery. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver, being careful not to damage the contacts. Observe which side of the battery is facing up. Usually, it's the positive side. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction. Try to handle the new battery by its edges to avoid transferring oils from your skin. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until they snap securely. Then, slide the emergency metal key back into its designated slot until you hear a click. Finally, test your key fob by attempting to lock and unlock your vehicle's doors. This confirms that the new battery is working correctly and your key fob is fully functional once again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.